Hi everybody, this is Aunt Cheryl and we're going to start our series on jean repair. I'm going to start this first video by showing you some of the equipment that you're going to need. Besides your jeans, you're going to need thread. Now I've chosen black because these are black jeans. Pair of scissors, sewing needle. Oops, sorry, making you seasick there. Sewing needle and straight pins. Okay, and this right here, in addition to your patches, you're going to need some iron-on adhesive. Actually, you don't need this, but this is very helpful. Now, let me see if I can get that to focus in. There you go. Now, is a no-sew. And you get a yard of it. I paid about $3 for this package. There's different brands, but this is the only one my store carries. I will show you how to use this stuff. The instructions is on the back. It's got complete instructions on how to do this. You're also going to need an iron and an ironing board. Now I'm just using a fleece cloth here. This is a fleece blanket. You can use that, or a bath towel on a table, or a bed if you don't have an ironing board. So yeah, I'm going to explain how to do this. Now in this first one, I just wanted to show you the equipment that you are going to need to make your repairs. Very simple, very straightforward. I am going to break this down into several videos. The first one, I just wanted to show you the supplies you need, but in the next one, I'm going to start showing you the actual stitches that I use to actually make the individual repairs, and take you step by step on the stitches. There's three main ones. I am going to show you just the two to start with, and then if I find that we need the third one on here, then I'll teach you that one. Otherwise, I'll teach you that in another series. And so for our next one, if you have repair work that you want to do, get you some scrap cloth, some thread, so that you can practice. That's all you're going to need is scrap cloth and some thread, so you can practice your stitches. And then we'll move into the individual holes and different repairs, and I will show you how to do those. Just for right now, I haven't exactly decided which pair I'm going to actually keep. My thing with this is both of these pairs of pants, sorry, I keep hitting that. Both these pairs of pants have fabric that is disintegrating. I'm going to choose which pair has the less disintegrating going on, and that's the pair that I'll work on. The other pair I'm going to use for patches, and I will show you how to patch that and reinforce it, where you can leave it as the style goes like this, or if you want to seal that up completely, and I will show you those steps in the upcoming videos. So that's to start our series out. You all have a nice day, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.